Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English First Paper class for the students of class 6 on the topic Unit 9. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit 9 and it will be reading done. Students, look, our today's lecture is 8 and homework number will be 7. So students, please take your textbook. I am going to read for you. So let's start. Students, open lesson 9, page number 30. I'll read from part A. A proverb says, health is wealth. Do you know what does proverb mean? Proverb means a well saying. So there is a well saying. What is that? It is health is wealth. To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. If you remain healthy, you will be free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. What does good health means? Good health means proper functioning of all body organs, and when you will feel both them, then you will be in good health. Your body will be in proper functioning. People in good health are active, cheerful and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. So if you are not healthy, if you are unhealthy, you can't do anything for your society. To do anything effective for your society, you need to be healthy, happy and cheerful. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. So what do you have to do for keeping your body healthy? You have to maintain hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. Now the question is, what is hygiene? Hygiene means the rules and practices of keeping good health. We must practice the rules of hygiene. Proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medical care are essential for good health. So you will get a question, what are essential for good health? You can write down, for good health we have to maintain food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medical care. All these are essential for good health. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. Number A, balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water in it. Number B, personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practices such as wash your hands before eating, bath regularly and wear clean clothes, brush your teeth twice regularly, do not let your nails grow long, cut them regularly, wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Number C, cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. Number D, taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean and properly cooked, and water should be pure. Number E, taking regular exercise. We should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. Number F, taking regular sleep and rest. We should keep properly and take proper rest. So students, what do you have to do for maintaining your good personal health? You have to maintain balanced diet, you have to maintain personal hygiene, you have to clean your household chores, you have to clean food and water, you have to take regular exercise, and at last you have to sleep regularly. It means you have to take rest. So that's for health is wealth. You have to maintain all this for keeping your health good and safe. And also you can maintain all these rules for your family members. And now students, it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be part E1 question answer. Here you can see in page number 31, you will get 4 questions. You have to write down the answer of this question as your homework number 7. Now students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.